Sports media is the newest and easily one of the fastest growing programs in the College of Communications, and professors have been looking for new ways to create a hands-on learning experience for their students. Their latest addition will be a production truck that can be used as a hub for live events like sports and beyond.
So the production truck is really a mobile production unit. It's basically a control room that you can run feeds into. A lot of our programs in the School of Journalism and Creative Media might have use of this. So we mentioned sports media, obviously a lot of sports casting, but music industry studies does a lot with the local concert scene. Certainly a focus on sound recording and audio, but also there can be some visuals alongside that if you're streaming out or broadcasting a concert or any sort of live event. Hands-on experiential learning is critical for a lot of the fields within the School of Journalism and Creative Media, and getting as many reps as you can with those. Having a truck and a remote production can sort of greatly expand the number of opportunities that students can get to work in a number of roles, and to do it in a sort of pseudo-professional setting. So it's one thing in a classroom to sort of try things out and see how it works, but it's another if you're actually shooting footage that's going up on either the Athletics YouTube page or perhaps to Big East Digital Network or some other outlet.
We really rely on the College of Communication to help us get our games, our home event broadcast out to those who want to follow. So this is going to enhance the quality of those broadcasts that go to our fans all over the country, in some cases for some of our teams all over the world. And then from an athletic standpoint, I think this will allow our broadcasts to have great consistency. We'll be able to have enhanced features and really will allow us the opportunity to really showcase our teams in a better light.
The production truck is allowing plenty of opportunities, including in its name. There's talks of a contest that will allow students to come up with the name of the production truck, so stay tuned for details on that. For the Butler Collegian, I'm Sierra Borkowski.